Welcome to Zwida Media. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Here's a new video for today. Enjoy.
Manual in your service book.
Yeah.
This is your spare key and your manual, just to explain to you on the healthcare of the vehicle.
Yeah.
And since you bought your vehicle in cash already,
Yeah.
which is a good thing, your license and registration will be under your name, not under the bank, because you don't owe anything on the vehicle.
Yes.
And then you can collect your papers tomorrow.
Thank you, Prof.
And thank you for the business.
Thank you.
And then you'll be able to collect your following one next year.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your support.
Thanks so
Brother,
much.
thank
And
you so much.
I'll be here tomorrow.
You have to.
Early in the morning.
You have to.
I need my paper.
Thank you so much.
I'm not owing.
Congratulations to igcoka melisha elivuke ngonyanyavu lemonto umacekeceke omusha iRange Rover. Kanti ke nabalandeli kusale kuvele lomhlathi nasey'nkundleni zokuxhumana insizwa le indaba mlonyeni bonke abantu bajabulile ngesenzo sayo sokuthenga imoto ebizayo imoto kanokusho futhi ke bathi ke uyithenge cash akananazanga uvele nje waqunga ephaketheni wadudula imoto ebizayo. Kanti ke bajabule kakhulu bathi lento ayenzile iyabagqugquzela futhi iyabajabulisa ukuthi ulokho uphakamise njalo umqhudelwano endimeni kaMaskandi bathi bafisa sengathi nawo wonke amaciko kaMaskandi engabukela kulo igcoka melisha leli umthandeni umfoka amanqele. Sithi ke siyakubongela kakhulu insizwa yakhe uqhubeke njalo nokwenza okuhle kanti nabanye ke amaciko sengathi ngabonela kuwe eqhubeke enze kahle kuyiwe phambili.